Hello, my name is Chris and I'm going to be demonstrating a terminal application. The terminal we'll be using is called Kitty and it can be found at this website. Kitty, I currently have it installed on Debian, but it's also installable on Gentoo, which is kind of awesome. And we'll also be using a Python framework called Textual. The source code for this demonstration can be found at this Git repository. The hardware setup for this demonstration can be seen here. We basically have a PC laptop which is connected via Ethernet to an oscilloscope and a Pi Zero. We are also connected to a USB camera which is pointed towards the oscilloscope, and there's two signals going into the scope, one from the Pi Zero and one from the signal generator. The application will be controlling the camera, the oscilloscope and the Pi Zero. To start the application, we just go into the source code and type launch. And what you can see here is two Kitty terminals. The one on the right is the textual application and one on the left is the image of the webcam. To generate a signal from the Pi, we can increase our duty cycle. We can also increase the frequency. But as you can see, the autofocus has a bit of a hard time with that, so we can turn the autofocus off. So let's bring our frequency down 1 kHz and set a duty cycle of 50%. To control the oscilloscope, we can change the timescale, time base, try the other way. We can also change the volts. That's way too high or too low. And we can change the offset, but we actually want to dial in the sine wave, so we can change the channel and then increase the voltage scale. Perfect. We can also offset either channel. And just to show that on the PWM channel. And one of the last things we can control is the camera. We can zoom in and we can change the focus, and instead of trying to focus again, we can just ask autofocus to find it, then turn it off because it goes fuzzy when a signal changes. We can also pan and tilt. And if we zoom back out again, and one last feature of the application is we can take our data from the oscilloscope and our camera and actually put it onto the Kitty terminal on the left. And that's it. That's a demonstration of the application. Thanks for watching, and one final thing to do is to close.